I know, baby, I know. It's not going your way. You thought it was going to be different, but it's not. And you have to accept things that you wish you didn't have to accept. You have to feel things that you wish you didn't have to feel. You have to navigate this world in a different way, knowing what you now know. I know, baby, I know. It sucks. It does not feel good at all. But I want you to know you're going to get through it. I want you to know it won't always be like this. It won't always look like this. It won't always feel like this. But I also want to acknowledge your feelings and let you know that they're valid. I want you to know that you have every right to feel the way that you feel. And I just encourage you, baby, to be gentle with yourself on the hard days. Be good to yourself in the hard times and know this too shall pass. I know, baby, I know. You're going to get through it. You will.
What's up, YouTube? I don't know why people ever want to make fun of the people in Japan TikTok. Cause what you mean? Yeah, make people alright, you know what? Whatever. A storm / hurricane time, and to the level of unserious. I feel like sometimes when I realize I'm a big woman now, I'm supposed to act as such, because the storm is supposed to come today, and I just go to supermarket at 11:44 to see if I can get bread. Laugh with me, laugh, because I don't know what kind of foolish is that. I don't know who tell me say that makes sense. I don't know which bread me I go find. But and the gag is I have an electric stove. So even if I don't get bread, I have to go scrape and find some dry. It's dagnam what's up if light goes away. Right, so when I woke up it was beautiful. It was the bluest sky I ever saw since August. Now the rain clouds are coming in, and the wind is starting. You actually need to leave right. Come in a minute in a mode to get caught in the rain on the road. Mommy, you so ready? You so ready? Cause out the door I get black. So I did want a next milkshake. Me buy one milkshake from Devon House where they was so good. They want to see could I get one, but then probably people are not there at work. I don't know, cause why I don't even know I am. I just not take life serious enough. Anyways, me soon when I reach at some kids. Show no I go on. It's a good thing I check with inventory before I go. So actually we have batteries. We have a power candle. We can probably get one more. We have this I think it's a battery operated radio, and we have these lights. So I'm gonna check the battery and check what work and what not work, and see what else we need. Them sitting here. These are from one storm where them this year come, and I guess these are from burial. So let's check to see if everything will work. Boy. Unprepared. Next table, unprepared. Look for my name in a dictionary. Camping lamp first. Alright, this will work. And then for the radio. This looks like it did. Oh, I don't think I did it there to take out the battery. Use one of them big ones, right? So yeah, we should be fine. Alright. So just food, I guess. And another pack of candles. Alright, as my step through my grill here instead. You know, some shame. Like, no, I'm actually shame. Like, this is actually embarrassing. I shouldn't even have tell on this. But it's kind of not my fault because them always say things that come and them don't come. I got something sausage here because right now favorite thing in our life. Wait, it now focus. People cornbread will forget to it, but you know what? It's fine. We're late. Beggars can't be choosers at this point. But love them, I see. Love them are real bad. I'm a little less. It's so cute, right? So I don't feel as irresponsible or careless because in here full. So yeah. End up finding one bread at the checkout area. Them catch it right up there, so I guess them never what I wanted. So I get one bread. Carelessness prevail in the end because we end up getting everything we need.
We're not careless.
We're careless.
We're not careless.
Call
it's
it
just
what
that,
it is. Take accountability. Because we should have been by them something from we here so we understand much.
Well, can I tell you something? I don't really want any storm come here. So probably that's why I'm so laid back.
Denial.
Because every day I hear pushback and I want it to really go back.
No, because no, what you should want is for it to just come and get it out of the way because the longer it linger, the stronger it get is when I realize, and the slower it move, the more damage it gonna do.
God is just protecting us.
Would Jamaica get with about some bad 10, 15 years now?
God
so
placed us in a position, but you know the people them now realize that, you know. Not them now realize.
And the water well at, me sure of that.
Eh?
So I know the water well at right now, so excuse me, sir. I really don't want her to linger out there no more. She just needs to come and go and where she go. In all honesty. But that's what my in there full, but it's not like lying through the aisle full. So grateful for that. Okay.
And there's full, yeah. Because to the way, I see the past 2 days, everybody have full of supermarket. I think empty. I thought India would be empty.
Bird shelf definitely empty, but canned stuff. I don't understand why people might buy say no because all the bread. You know, I remember saying everybody have electric stove, yeah, man.
What you mean? Because my sister and them take up.
They not take up the tin stuff.
No, because them go cocoa.
And that means a bare ingredients I take out.
Yeah. And I like we can't really pre.
Just catching another line here, real.
We can't really pre that.
Yeah, we can't make. We have to just take up 10 things and know, so we have to eat it straight out of 10. You know, you understand? So I'm gonna take up that specific type of tuna. Why are you running so? And we made it back home in one piece. Sun is shining, birds are chirping. Oh, thank God.
So it's only right that I should come to you so we can be together, so we can unite forces.
Yeah.
Me just come from Mega Mart, guys. We're gonna buy some more stuff just to be safe. It's Sunday, by the way. Yeah, me know. Ciao. Anyways, me there tape down your window them. Me just find out why people tape down your window, so me tape down your window. Me not even know if this a tape I can help, but me just do it. Nothing tried, nothing. What? Nothing. Anyways.
Nothing tried, nothing done.
Outside a beer nice. Got one neighbor them a drill. But yeah. Alright guys, so it is, hold on, I need to see the display on the battery I did. I need to take about the battery. I never realized the battery I did. It is currently 1:29 a.m. Tuesday, the day when the hurricane is making landfall. We just experienced our power outage. What you're seeing is light from a candle. Sitting by the window outside looks absolutely dreadful. I did go sleep from earlier, so I'm tired. And I tell mommy say go and go sleep because them say early morning sittings. And she choose to go sleep after 12. And then little after she fall asleep, like, go so I wake her up because me when I sit down in the darkness. I tell her to go sleep. I tell her to go sleep. But yeah, outside, I can't see the hill no more. We live right by a hill that we're in a high risk zone. So, yeah.
I believe that the hill is protected now.
Yeah, because everywhere else in Kingston has been getting very strong winds and we haven't because we're right by the hill. So I feel like the hill will break the wind for we. But the party gets a little bit drastic. So I'm going to preserve my battery and I'm going to come back. So I have another fully charged battery still. But I just have to go and hear that. The hear that. Me talk to you. Don't mind the appearance, obviously. It's a tough time. But I'm not telling you, like, JP is hold on with the light. The light came back. It's like 3 o'clock now. It's 2:49. Mommy is sleeping in the couch. We're camping out in the couch. I have everything here and on the center table. So yeah, I have to give them props. Got them all out with the light. So it seems like we won't lose power for good until it's like absolutely necessary. That's good. As of right now, it's very on and off with the wind and the rain. It come down and and then sometimes it ease up. So just fingers crossed it's not that bad. Alright guys, so it's currently 3 after 3 in the morning. The breeze has intensified. I don't know if you guys can hear it. And there was a crazy lightning strike just now and the whole area lost power. So like the light blinked 20 times, like it go on and come off 20 times and then it just ultimately go off. So I'm relighting the candle. One thing about me and the darkness, that the light give things outlines and it scare me. Mommy asleep, I'm not want to wake her up. I slept earlier, as I said. So I can manage to stay up. But I'm hearing sounds. Oh, people are turning on my generator. I'm afraid too much, It's now after 10. I feel like we got the worst part of it between 3 to 5 a.m. this morning. I look really bad, it's just not bad pre that right now. But JPS did a really good job. JP like go away a couple times, but with that being said, I know so the bill is gonna be astronomical. Like we don't even can fathom the bill what them are gonna say.
No, give them no.
Oh, I just took a shower, freshen up, but silly to me, right? Why am I have to look so, bro? I not have to look like, oh, where may I go through? Silly to me thought that the hurricane made landfall from earlier this morning and it not reach it. I'm perplexed. It's currently 5:34 p.m. We've been without light for a little while now, like 2.5 hours or 3 hours. I think it would have gone by now, but it's still like wreaking havoc. Well, not bad, but like the wind is persisting and the rain. So I wonder when it's gonna leave because based on the weather prediction it's supposed to gone. But we're here. So we sleep, so wake up. Mommy say hi. So we go and look through the window and check the phone and everybody answer the message them, so go right back to sleep. But I forgive God thanks because more fortunate than most wish them could have sleep through it. So yeah, I'll let you guys know when it's over, or it seems to be over. Guys, we thought it was over, but clearly it's not. It's 7:55 and outside is tearing up. I don't know where this strong breeze, well, I know, but jeez, place outside all a gash of fire, like outside is crazy right now. Alright, so it's 3 days post Melissa making landfall in Jamaica. I'm going to try as best as possible to not get emotional during this portion of the video, but it is a possibility. So as you guys could tell from my previous clips, I live in Kingston, which wasn't badly hit at all from the hurricane. The most we have are some like deepened potholes, uprooted trees, power lines probably fell, but I haven't heard of any major casualties here in Kingston. However, for most parishes, especially on the western end, that's not the reality. Seeing the videos over the past few days, it has been very heart-wrenching, and that's the best way I can describe it. Every time I start watching the videos, I'm brought to tears. It's so hard, like, accepting the reality that normal people like you and me, or me and you watching this video, that, you know, are regular civilians, regular people with their jobs, where work hard and build them life, are now homeless. Like, so many people are now homeless with no clue of how to start over. So many people abroad are trying to reach their loved ones, not knowing if they're alive or not. And there's still so many communities that they haven't been able to clear the roads and get through to go and assess. Like, you know, I saw a video yesterday of a woman saying there's so many dead bodies and they need the officials to come and take them up. So it's been a very rough couple days, and I can't even, like, it feels so unfair for me to say I can't manage seeing the videos because people are actually living through this right now, and it's so hard to come to terms with that. Like, but if you're watching this video and you'd like to help, I'll put the website here on the screen, and I'll have it linked down below in my description box that you can donate to. I've already made my donation. If it is that you are interested in sending items to Jamaica, I'll also find the necessary link for that and have it down below. I'm not gonna lie, it feels very wrong to move on with life. Like, I just pray that we can bounce back. I know that we will bounce back. Like, we're God's favorite channel. Like, we will bounce back, but right now it's yeah. So I have the links here and down below in the description box. You guys can go ahead and donate. And